ICC T20 World Cup 2024 India vs Bangladesh match detail and final playing 11. Date 22 June 2024. Time 8 p.m. Venue Vivian Richard Cricket Stadium. Team Bangladesh final playing 11. Number 1 Liton Das, right wicketkeeper batsman. Number 2 Tanjid Hossain, left-handed batsman. Number 3 Nazmul Hasan Santo, left-handed batsman. Number 4 Tauhid Hridoy, right-handed batsman. Number 5 Shakibul Hasan, all-rounder. Number 6 Mahmudullah Riyad, right-handed batsman. Number 7 Mehdi Hassan, all-rounder. Number 8 Tanjib Saqib, fast bowler. Number 9 Rishad Hossain, spin bowling. Number 10 Mustafizur Rahman, fast bowler. Number 11 Taskin Ahmed, fast bowler. Team India final playing 11. Number 1 Rohit Sharma, right-handed batsman and captain. Number 2 Virat Kohli, right-handed batsman. Number 3 Rishabh Pant, left-handed wicketkeeper batsman. Number 4 Surya Kumar Yadav, right-handed batsman. Number 5 Shivam Dube, left-handed batsman. Number 6 Hardik Pandya, all-rounder. Number 7 Ravindra Jadeja, all-rounder. Number 8 Akshay Patel, all-rounder. Number 9 Ashdeep Singh, fast bowler. Number 10 Jasprit Bumrah, fast bowler. Number 11 Kuldeep Yadav, spin bowling. Who will this match? Comment. Don't forget like and subscribe.